I'm not really an edibles person, but I have to tell you, whatever they put in this thing, they've done a good job. I bought a couple of quarters at a dispensary the other day, and they offered, a freebie, and so I decided to go with the edible that they were offering, and it happened to be a Korova Saturday morning cookie sample. And took it home, tried it out, and I got to tell you, I really, really like this brand. I really like this. I mean, I'm not familiar with edibles. You might have a particular brand that you like. I came across these, and whatever they're putting inside this thing, I got to tell you, it works really well for me. I think these things are awesome. You might have other brands that you particularly care for, but I highly, highly recommend you try the Korova. I am not affiliated with them in any ways, and just, came across them at random, and I really, really like this cookie. Plus, it's only 150 milligrams, so I would maybe recommend to kind of start with these if you're just getting into edibles. As far as dosing goes, it's a good idea to start small. Now, like I said, this is 150 milligrams, and other cookies and other things and other bars and other products, they have 250, 500. I've seen it even 1,000 milligrams, which is, for me, it's too much. I can't quite do that type of a thing, but this packaging here says that it's got 15 servings per package. So if you do the math, it's like 10 milligrams per serving. So if you were able to divide the cookie up as evenly as possible, you can kind of figure out your dosage from there. And I would probably, I would say start with 20 milligrams. These things can, come across you anywhere from 10 minutes to, 45 minutes to an hour, depending on your metabolism and kind of like what's going on with your body and stuff like that. So I always like to pass along the information, which is kind of the thing with edibles, because, dosing is such a gray area. Definitely be careful with this. Don't eat a whole one for the first time if you're just starting out, because you probably would have not such a great experience, and you might not come back to pick up some more. This is about the size of a dose that I would do. Probably if you're just starting out, I might do something around that size. But since I've tried this a few times, I'm adding this much more. But I would try about that much in size. Even if you're a beginner, start with 20 milligrams, and see where you go. Give yourself a little bit of time, wait for about a half an hour or so, and see how you're feeling. If you go on to maybe an hour, hour and a half, and you're still, you're feeling good, but maybe you want to feel a little bit better, maybe try another 10, 20 milligrams and then just call it good and see where you end up there. Some people will just, eat some and go, I don't feel anything, and eat some more, and I don't feel anything, and all of a sudden they're just blitzed. If it's the first time for them, that would be a shame, because they wouldn't receive the benefits of the Saturday morning cookie. So, if you're just starting out, that's what I would recommend for you to do dosing wise. Hopefully you found the information in this video useful. If you did, please comment, like, and subscribe. I'm Enzo Treppa with BudCivil.com and the Korova Saturday morning cookie. Thanks for watching.